Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light on this 2009 Mini, and you can reset some of the other procedures as well with it. Now we've got this style key on it. I'm just going to pop the key in and just press the start button once to turn it to ignition stage 2. Now we're going to use the button on the end of the stalk there, and you want to cycle through to where you get to the main screen, the first one, that's it. So you want to be on there, and then press and hold the button on the dial there. Now once that comes up, you can use the button on the end of the stalk again, and if you press and hold that, that's saying the reset's been done. Release the button, press the button again, and that's reset the first one. Then you can scroll through and you've got all the different resets to do there. Someone's already been in this one and reset some of them quite far ahead, but on each one just press and hold the button again and it'll do the reset. And then you can just turn the ignition off and everything's reset. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.